Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are doing well and stay safe at your home. So in our previous video, we will read chapter 7, Wish of Sindbad. Okay, so now we are continue this chapter. Now next paragraph, to their horror of horrors, they discovered that it was not an island but the back of an enormous well. Okay. Sindbad and his sailors were thrown into the swirling waters in a moment. The Victorious broke into pieces and sank. The giant whale too disappeared into the depth, throwing Sindbad and other into the his waves. Okay, waves means क्या? लहरें. Okay. Then next, Sindbad could not realize what was happening around him. All of sailors were gone, perhaps drowned. Luckily, he saw a big plank of wood coming up and floating near him in the jaws. Okay, he swam towards it and catch it tightly to stay afloat. He remained like this for 3 days without food and water. Then next, he felt the wood die as he was very exhausted. Suddenly, he saw on 4th day a dark strip of land on the distant horizon, but he was too exhausted and fell asleep. He did not know how long he slept, but when he awoke, he found himself lying on the shore of an unknown island. He was too tired to open his eyes and lay on the sand most of the day. Slowly, he stood up and walked some distance. The island was full of fruits and he satisfied his hunger. He first thought to find out the inhabitants of the island. Good people must inhabit this beautiful island, he thought. He reached a pond around which there were many trees and some tall rocks. Suddenly, 2 furious-looking armed guards stopped his way. "Hail!" cried out one of them. "Don't move a single step. Who are you?" "I am Sindbad, the sailor. I wish to know where I am." The guards gave no answer. Instead, they forced him to go with them. Soon they reached a palace in the midst of a dense group of all trees behind a hillock. After passing through many doors of the palace, Sindbad was in the presence presence of the Maharaja. Master, said one of the sentinels, we have tied this young man because he entered our land without permission. Sindbad narrated to the king the circumstance under which he reached the shore of this island after the Victorious sank into the sea. Oh, so you are the famous sailor Sindbad, said the king. Accept my welcome. You are on the isle of Orissa. I am the Maharaja of Kittipur. You can take rest in my kingdom till you feel well. I am eager to learn about your famous adventures, said the king. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो ये हमने जो अभी पैराग्राफ जो हमने रीड किया उसे आप फिर से अच्छे से रीड करेंगे. ओके, एंड जो भी डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड आए हुए हैं उनकी आप मीनिंग फाइंड करेंगे. ओके, मैंने आपको अभी मीनिंग नहीं बताई है, नेक्स्ट डे आपको मैं मीनिंग भी बताऊंगी. तब तक आप खुद से ही मीनिंग फाइंड करेंगे. इनकी जो भी डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड आए हैं इस चैप्टर में उसकी आप मीनिंग फाइंड करेंगे. ओके, सो नाउ योर होमवर्क. बाय बाय, हैव अ गुड डे.